Hi everyone, thank you for making it all the way here. I just want to share with you one more piece of information, which is that by donating to our academy, you're not really supporting or helping me. Instead, you're supporting the stories of some incredible people that we got to impact through our initiative. People like Putri, who volunteered with us, and now she's part of our internal team, helping us with all the logistics, with all the coordination involved in organizing every single workshop. Krishna, a very talented student, after joining some of our workshops, decided to open his own business. Just a few more. Dewa, he was the very first teacher that welcomed our initiative in his school, and right now he became the principal in that very same school, also thanks to his involvement with our workshops. Tia, a student who joined our workshops and got very passionate about design, eventually got an intern with one of the companies from our network. These are the kind of stories that need your support, and by donating, you get to become part of the story too. I really think that together we can get to make our journey matter, but right now we need a little help from you. Every donation will help us run more workshops and multiply the number of the stories. Myself and the team will be working extra hard to make this happen, and I'll make sure that you get to hear about your impact through our updates and upcoming YouTube videos. Thank you very much. Oh, and did I talk about the fact that people can also donate as a gift on behalf of family and friends? Okay, then that's it. You can use that.